CCNA topic is about the BPDU card. And what the BPDU card is doing, it's giving you the protection against when you enable the spanning tree. When you enable the spanning tree. Oh, sorry, when you enable the port fast feature. Because effectively, if somebody has enabled the port fast feature here, and you connect the switch here, it can create a temporary loop here. To avoid this feature, what you need to do is, along whenever you do the port fast, you need to enable the so you see this spanning tree port fast BPDU card. Okay, default. So what it does, it gives you the protection, because if accidentally I put a switch here, okay, spanning tree port fast BPDU card. If I put a switch here, for example, if I remove this switch, this machine from here, and I connect a switch, for example, here. You can see what happened. You see, notice what happened? Because we enable the BPDU guard, so what happened? The port 01 on the 01, so you see on the 01 we have connected the port fast. Okay, but we also enable the spanning tree port fast BPDU card, which means if somebody mistakenly unplug the cable from the PC and connect it to the switch actually, where the port fast is enabled, the port will also goes into the error disable mode, because it can create a routing loop, sorry, not the routing loop, layer 2 loops actually. To avoid the port fast, to avoid any kind of loop, we have the BPDU guard configured. Okay, so BPDU guard protect you in the accidentally, if somebody you see accidentally connect a switch where the port fast is enabled. So for example, 01 is up when we connect it to the switch, but as soon as it, because we have enabled the BPDU card and the port fast actually, and we use the default command make sure wherever you enable the BPDU card and accidentally if somebody put the switch on that port, it will completely disable. Now you see the port is the array table. And show interface F01. You see the port goes in the down state and it's the array disable. Array disable is, it is not a physical problem, but actually it will be a software related problem. Configuration error. If I do shut and let's say I say no shut, you will see again, even though I shut and no shut, it brings the interface up, but again it puts it in array disable. Here we have enabled the array disable mode. And here You can see the 01 port is now shown. Because of the BPT guard. So BPT guard protect your devices accidentally connecting to the device code have a both the features work together. Device that the code path, code path, code path, uh, here, the code path.